Examiner, first I'm going to start with my in-cab inspection. Examiner, my wheels are chalked, brakes are applied, transmission is neutral. Examiner, all my gauges are working, primary, secondary pressure is in normal range, good for road. Examiner, I have two signs, seat belt and parking brake will go off when I go on the road. There's no other sign. Examiner, my steering wheel goes well to the left, it goes well to the right. There's no free play. It's well mounted and set to my position. Safety horn work, highway horn check on road. Examiner, my wiper, I have enough washer fluid for road. My wipers have no crack, no damage, rubber, no cut, no damage. It's well mounted to the truck, gives me nice and clear view. Defrost system, full on heat, seldom defrost, set on speed 2 is good, speed 4 is good, speed 6 is good, speed 8 is good. It's giving good air to the windshield, giving me a nice and clear view in a bad weather. Examiner, my left side mirror, no crack, no damage, well mounted. Both hood mirror, no crack, no damage, well mounted. Right side mirror, no crack, no damage, well mounted. Curb side mirror, no crack, no damage, well mounted. All give me nice and clear view, set to my position. Examiner, my window glass has no crack, no damage. Windshield, no crack, no damage, good condition, well mounted. Right side window, no crack, no damage, well mounted. All gives me nice and clear view. I don't have no cabin glass. Examiner, my seat belt is well mounted. My seat belt has no cut, no damage. Buckle has no crack, no damage. It latches properly, unlatches properly, goes back well. My buckle has no crack, no damage. My safety teeter belt, no cut, no damage, well mounted, no malfunction. Left side teeter belt, no cut, no damage, no malfunction, well mounted. Examiner, my seat has no cut, no damage, no free play, and my seat is set to my position. I have 3 safety equipment, my fire cylinder, 3 triangles, and a first aid kit. Examiner, now I'm done my inspection.